Hey y'all, it's TechM/K and we're back with another video. Today we'll be talking about the Nexus 7. So the Nexus 7 features a sleek matte finish. It features a mediocre camera for today's standards, and it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, rear firing stereo speakers, and a micro USB charging port.
Alright, moving on to software, we can see that there's some lagginess when scrolling through the newsfeed from Google, and you may be wondering why. It's not because it's 2021, it's because we actually installed Lineage OS onto it, so it has Android 10. This is because Google's last official software update was Android 6 Marshmallow for the Nexus 7. So we wanted to have some multitasking features with the newest version of Android, but there are some drawbacks with the lagginess. But at the end, it's still pretty worth it because you get picture-in-picture with YouTube, other videos, as well as split screen mode if you want to multitask. So if you do plan on getting a Nexus 7 today, we would still recommend you install Lineage OS, just because it's a lot more versatile and you can do a lot more tasks on it, like installing newer apps that only support the newer software, and a more cleaner and modernized design throughout the software.
So, what do you think about the Nexus 7 with Lineage OS? Is it worth it in 2021? Let us know down in the comments below. As always, like, comment, subscribe. MK, we out.